Before the world awakes, before the city hums, before the office lights flicker on, a different kind of hustle begins. It starts with the rooster's call, the scent of earth, the touch of dew-kissed leaves, the rising sun over a field of potential. There's a group of unsung heroes who are the first to greet the day, their hands covered in soil, their faces kissed by the sun. They are the guardians of our food supply, the stewards of the soil, the backbone of our society. They are our farmers. From the vast wheat fields of Kansas to the terraced rice paddies of Bali, from the bustling vegetable markets of Nairobi to the vineyards of Tuscany, they work tirelessly. With their deep connection to the land and their relentless dedication, farmers ensure that we are nourished and sustained. Think about it. Every grain of rice, every kernel of corn, every juicy apple, and every leaf of spinach that lands on your plate has a story. A story of early mornings, toiling under the hot sun, battles with pests and weather, and the eventual triumph of harvest. Farmers are not just cultivators, but innovators. They've adapted with time, embraced technology, and are constantly learning new ways to feed an ever-growing population sustainably and efficiently. As we journey through this exploration of farming, let's remember to appreciate these humble heroes. The next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to think about the hands that helped bring that food to your table. Today we're going to explore how technology is reshaping the world of agriculture, making it more efficient, sustainable, and resilient. We'll start with one of the most significant advancements, GPS technology. From accurate field mapping to auto-steering tractors, GPS has changed the game. It helps farmers work in difficult weather conditions, improve accuracy, reduce overlaps and skips, and ultimately save time and money. With advancements in data analytics and predictive modeling, farmers can now make more informed decisions. They can predict the best time for planting, foresee potential pest infestations, and estimate their yields more accurately. Aerial technology, such as drones, have become invaluable tools for farmers. Drones can monitor crop health, spot diseases early, assess water needs, and even help in applying fertilizers and pesticides. It's faster, more efficient, and less labor-intensive. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is also transforming agriculture. With sensors spread across the field, farmers can monitor soil conditions, crop growth, and weather patterns in real time, automating irrigation and nutrient management, ensuring optimal crop health. Technology like GPS and data analytics have been in use for a while, aiding farmers in precise planting, pest management, and yield predictions. But AI is taking this a step further. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data in real time. By combining satellite imagery, weather data, and on-ground sensors, they can provide detailed insights about every inch of the farm. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and AI capabilities can monitor crop health, detect pests and diseases, and even assist in targeted application of fertilizers and pesticide. Most importantly, these technologies are helping us farm more sustainably. Precision farming reduces the usage of water, fertilizers, and pesticides, minimizing the environmental impact. Even livestock farming is experiencing this tech revolution. Robotic milking systems, livestock tracking, and smart feeding machines are improving animal welfare, increasing productivity, and freeing up time for farmers. The integration of technology in farming is not just about increasing productivity. It's about creating a sustainable, resilient system that can nourish a growing population while respecting and protecting our planet. It's safe to say the future of farming is now. Thank you for joining us on this journey through modern farming. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's embrace the future of agriculture. Until next time.